Basketball, you betcha. I'm back. It's the Daily Trainer and I'm ready to go. Are you ready to go? I'm ready to go. Let's get going. No, make sure you hit that like, that comment, that subscribe button. And if you don't worry about it. Go ahead and share it with somebody. And we have had more people in the comments, so please keep commenting, keep asking questions. And I told you I'm here to help. I'm going to give you the best explanation that I can, or I'm going to give you the best scenario for what you want to accomplish as a basketball player. Basketball, it's time to go. So let's go. So we're going to get you right into it. That full court push, you're going to push that rock. You're going to go full speed. It's that full court drill that you love so much. You're alternating your hands and you're getting the layup on the right side of the rim. Boom. And then you're going all the way full court, alternating, getting your left hand layups in. Boom, we're going right into zigzag, right? Boom, we got the crossover. We're going to the block. We're going to the sideline. We're going to that 3-point line area. And then we're going to half court. We're pushing it to the other hand. And then we're sprinting down. We're going to do this on both sides so that you're going down on the right side, full speed with your right hand. And then that you're going left hand full speed on the other side. Then we are going to do these 5 times each. So you're going to go 5 times on the full court drill, 5 times on the zigzag drill. Yeah, I know. You're going to be winded. It's a lot. Okay. So now what I want you to do is I want you to go to the free throw line. Okay. Then when you go to the free throw line, you're going to make these 5 free throws and you're going to catch your breath. Okay. Run over, grab a quick drink, like not a water break, just a quick drink. And then we're heading right back into it because we got a lot we got to get done today. So now I want you to do wave dribbles. Okay. So now you're going to wave dribble through the 3 cones. Okay. You're going to penetrate the gap. You have the C gap, you have the B gap, you have the A gap. Okay. And then today we're going to add the crossover in. Okay. So this is you countering after you do your wave dribble. All right. So now when you wave it and you look to penetrate that first gap, you're going to cross it over into the other gap. Okay. So this is just helping you with an imaginary mindset of defenders moving and you moving their feet too. Okay. So that is the goal here when we're doing this drill. We're trying to move their feet so that we can create a gap for ourselves. All right. So that is what we're doing. And we're going to do this 2 times each, just so you can kind of go through the drill. And then we'll do more reps throughout the week so that you understand it more. But I just kind of want you to do it, right? So you've already done the wave drill, but now you're just going to do the crossover drill. Remember, we're going to get in a layup every time. No jump shots here. We're going to do it on both sides of the floor. So you work the wave with the right hand and you work the wave with the left hand. All right. Good job, basketball. You keep at it. Now, basketball, we're going to go into our block to block or hash to hash layups, whatever you want to call it, whatever you can do to remember that. Okay. So we're going to go lay it up. We're going to get our rebound. We're going to go right to the other block. We're going to lay it up. We're going to go to the other hash mark. Lay it up, lay it up, lay it up, lay it up. And we want to see that basketball go in through the net. Let's work on clean layups too. I've been seeing a lot of layups where it's hitting the backboard and kind of rattling around the rim. That's too much of a chance for it to roll out. Let's make sure it's a clean hit off the glass and clean into the basket. Okay. That's a skill that's overlooked as well. It's just the perfect touch and angle on the backboard. So let's do that. We're going to do that drill twice. Okay. We're going to do that drill twice. Then we're going to go to our 5 spot layups. Okay. You're going to rip through baseline, go to the wing, go from the top, go to the wing, and then go from the baseline. Okay. So we're going to go through all those layups. Then what I want you to do is I want you to throw it out and work your footwork. Okay. So you have your inside pivot, you have your outside pivot, and we're going to work that. Okay. Or you can say reverse pivot or front pivot. And we're going to work that and work those layups as well. Okay. And you're going to do those 5 times each because the footwork aspect of things is so important. Everyone thinks you have to create with the dribble, but in all reality, all you have to do is use your footwork and you can create a lot more than you expected. All right. So after doing those drills, you will go to the free throw line again, and you will shoot the free throw of 5, and you will make them. All right, basketball you, it's okay. Take a quick break, get a little drink, and then we're gonna get back to it. I want you shooting floaters now. Okay, I don't know if we worked on that last week. Can't remember. I know we worked on a lot, but let's work on a little bit of floaters. It's important, you know what I'm saying? Some people like to take charges. Maybe not in AAU, but they definitely do once it gets more organized towards the summer. So you want to be ready for that, because everybody in June, at least on this side of town, everybody is playing with their high school teams in June. So you want to be ready for that, okay? And so we're working on our floater on the right side. We're just going to make 3 with the glass. Everything's going to be glass today. So you're making 3 with the glass on the right side, 3 in the middle with the right and the left, and then you're just practicing it with the right, or you can practice it with the left as well on the left side to finish those floaters. Then we're going to just do a quick thing of shooting. We're going to do some reps there. And the shooting I want to do is today, I just want to go around the world. Okay. And then I just want to do the around the perimeter threes. So not as much shooting typically as we have done before. All right. And then what I would like is for you to prepare for defense. And we're going to get into your favorite defensive drill, because I think you've told me this is your favorite defensive drill. And that defensive drill is going to be our closeout defensive slide back, back pedal, deny the wing, deny the back door, slide, then sprint. Oh yeah, it's a lot, and we're going to do it. Oh yes. I love this drill. Okay, we're going to do this 3 times, and we're going to do it on both sides. You are going to be tired, but that's okay. Then after that, I want to just work our simple defensive slides where we are going from the baseline and we're sliding up to the hash mark, sliding back, sliding up to the second hash mark, sliding back, sliding up to the third hash mark, sliding back, turn and go. So we're going to do that 3 times. And remember, you're going to be facing one way, then you just turn the other way to work your hips, and you can go there and do that. Then our last thing that we're going to do before we jump into conditioning, we're going to do our 2-cone drill where we slide over the top, slide under, and push off. Okay, we have 3 sets of 2 cones. You're going to do this 2 times because this one's a little bit tougher, and you're going to be going non-stop around and then going back around again the other way. So just want you to do this 2 times. You're not going to shoot free throws. You're going to go right into running a liner. Okay, remember, a liner is from the baseline to the free throw to the baseline, to the half court, baseline, to the other free throw line, baseline, full court, baseline to the other baseline. And that'll be your full liner. And our time to beat this week is 37. Okay, 37 seconds. Can you beat it? Okay. And then the last thing I want you to do is pick up that basketball, and I want you to dribble 10 sidelines twice. So you're going to do 10 sidelines, take a break. Then you're going to go with your weak hand again, and you're going to go 10 sidelines again. And that will be it for today. You're going to end with the free throw. And after you end with the free throw, not 5, not 10, just 1 free throw, I want you to jump rope at the end. Okay, so you're going to end with jump ropes. That's that extra work we talk about. So let's get that extra work in, and that'll be 500 jump ropes. And you're done, Basketball U. I appreciate you, Basketball U, for coming and doing your thing like you always do each and every day. I'm the Daily Trainer. I'm so happy to be with you. And remember, you can hit me in the comments. Let me know if this is working for you, or let me know if I got to step my game up, because I can step my game up to step your game up. All right. And I just want you to remember this. If you don't remember anything else, someone's always working. Are you?